So they just finna throw the G80 on a lift because I have an exhaust leak, and they're finna see exactly where it's at and get that fixed up because we don't need none of that action. Now, for anybody that don't know, just like I don't know, I'm not really too familiar with BMWs. I came from the Mopar community, so I can tell you everything about the Mopar, but as far as BMW, I don't know everything, so I'm still learning, but I'm learning as I go. But yeah, big shout out to AA Performance. They came with open arms, twin. I hit him up, literally, he got me in same day, instantly, so. And their schedule is very busy. You got a shot like AA Performance that's gonna put me in there and get me right every time. Like, ain't nothing. If you in the Atlanta area, come here. And say Quan sent you, of course. They gonna open their arms, even if you don't say Quan. But if you came from this vlog or you come from any of my BMW videos, just, you know.